We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You got your model number and serial number right here. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and hit register and get this warranty going. Up the top, we give you a brand new shutoff valve. So we cut the existing copper coming out of the wall, and then a press fitting, and then a quarter turn ball valve. That's a full port 3/4 inch, and then to a brass fitting to a Falcon stainless steel connector, full 3/4 inch inside diameter down to the tank, and a brass extension on the cold side. Hot side, we already had an adapter on it, so it's soldered on, and it was original to the construction, so we just replaced the connector, Falcon stainless steel, down to a brass extension, and of course relief valve comes with it. And then we installed a brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to the existing relief line. So this copper is yours. It goes down the wall and out to the side of the garage. Press fitting's ours. We press that on so it's connected. That's for temperature and pressure relief. Brand new straps, upper third and lower third. And then down here we've got a brand new gas connector going over to the controller. One extra 90 up there. Was a little piping was a little short, so we added this extension on the bottom, and so now everything's tied back in as far as the vent. Burner is lit. It's set to approximately 120. That's hot. Should be approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend hot at 120. You can go up to 140 if you have a big soaking tub that you need to fill, so you'll generate hotter water, which means you can use more cold water and less hot water back there. The only problem with that setting is it creates more pressure on your entire piping system through the home, so be careful with that. We recommend 120 plus for liability purposes, and EPA 120 degrees. You can put your hand underneath it for 4, 5, 6 minutes and not get scalded. At B140, 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.